Now we are going to see how to create and draw objects in your OpenOffice Writer. Go to View menu, then choose Toolbar, then click Drawing. This is the toolbar. This is your drawing toolbar. By using this toolbar, we are going to draw object in the OpenOffice Writer. These are the different tools are available in the drawing toolbar. Now I'm going to draw some shape. This is called basic shape. So click on this drop down menu. You'll be getting different types of shapes. Whatever shape you want to create, you can click and make a drawing. So I'm going to draw a circle. Just click. What will happen? The mouse pointer will change to what pointer? Drawing function pointer. Just click and drag it. So you'll be getting the object in the OpenOffice Writer. So if you want to add one more object, you can do. Then choose say rectangle or triangle. So still I'm being in a drawing mode. I want to go back to the normal mode. You have to press which key? Escape key in the keyboard. Press the escape key in the keyboard. So this is your escape key in the keyboard. What will happen? So immediately your mouse pointer will change to the normal mouse pointer. So now I created a 3 object here. So I want to change the property in the sense fill color, line size. How can I change? There is 3 ways there. One way by using drawing toolbar. So for drawing toolbar, go to view, then choose toolbars, then drawing object properties. You'll be getting a one more toolbar is called drawing object toolbar. Now it's disabled. Why? Because I didn't select any object here. Click on this object. These are properties will be enabled now. So now I'm going to change the properties of this circle. So here first one is called what? Line. Click this. You'll be getting one dialog box called line. So from this dialog box I can change the line and arrow styles. So I want to change the arrow styles now. So whatever line style you want to change, you can change now. Width of the, you can see the preview here. So if I'm increasing or decreasing the values in the width, it will be changing. Okay, if you want to give the color, you can give whatever color you want to give. Choose the color, then click OK. See what happened. The lines of the object will be changed. If I change the colors of the area color, go to this is called what? Area. This is called area. Then choose, click this icon. What will happen? You'll be again getting this area dialog box. Here you can change the shadows. Whatever you want to change, you can change. So I'm going to change the color. Okay, then shadow. If you want to make a shadow of the image, you can make it. Use shadow, tick the checkbox, then choose the color. Whatever color you like, you can give to make us a shadow. So which point you want to make, this side or right side, left corner, top corner, whatever corner you can change. You can able to see the preview now. So color, what color you want to give? For example, I gave a blue classic. So I want to change some other color, say red. For gradient, if you want to apply some gradient fill, you can give. Then click OK. See, this is called, the blue color is called shadow. This is the exact object in the OpenOffice. This is what? Changing the properties. Change the area colors and line colors. So like that you can change any properties. Okay, next you are going to see how to resizing your object. It's very easy. When you click on this object, you'll be getting the object surrounded by the boundaries by the 8 corner hand. This is called 8 corner handles. By using this handle, we can able to change the size of the object. So simply click and drag it. You can able to do the resize. This is the one of the way to resize your images. Okay, the next way is right click on the object, go to, you'll be getting a pop-up menu, then click position and size. So this is called your position and size. Change the width and height. Okay, then you can change the alignment also, right? Change the alignment as bottom, then click OK. So it will be changed. Okay, this is called positioning and size of your object. The next one, grouping. So now I'm Now I'm having three objects, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to group this object as a single group. How to do this? You have to press shift key. You have to keep on holding the shift key, and then you have to group this object as a single group. Let's see how to do this. Press the shift key in the keyboard. So hold on the shift key in the keyboard. Shift key in the keyboard. Then click on the object. What happened? The selection will be expanded now. So which means you have selected all these three objects now. Now right click on any of the object, then choose group, then group. Now these are three objects will be comes in a single group. See, now I'm moving this object in a single one. What will happen? All the three objects will be moving, which means you have made this three objects in a single group. This is called what? Grouping. Grouping can be done. This is one way. Right click, then group. So now you can ungroup. Then go to another option. Then go to format. Then group. Okay, this is another method for grouping your object. The next one is how to positioning the graphic within the text. So in our document we may have, this is we are doing in text document. In text document, text must be there, object also must be there. So how to make this text in your document? For that I am going to type some text here. So hi, this is my text. Make a copy. So I type my text now. Okay, so this is what positioning the graphics within the text. For this we have a four settings. One is arrangement, alignment, anchoring, and text wrapping. Okay, let me see how to do this. First, click on the object. Now I'm click on this object. Okay, resizing object first. See what will happen. Automatically the text will be changing their position. So right click on the object, then go to arrangement, then bring forward. Okay, see what will happen. Now go to wrap, then in background. See, the text will be come forward, the object will be go backward. Then again press, then wrap, then press in background. So here we are having two options is called what? Bring to front, bring to send to back. So now we are going to see how to ungroup this. First ungroup this. So it will show how to do the arrangements. Now I am having this two object. So now press this option for bring to front. So I want this back object to come to front. Click this option. So now my behind object come front. So now again press send to back. This object will be go back. This is called what? Bring to front and send to back in the arrangement. Let me see wrapping. What will happen? No wrap. See what will happen. What changes you can see here. See, wrap, page wrap, then wrap, optimal page wrap. Yes, children can able to see the changes happening in this document. Wrap in background. So what is happening in background? So the text will be comes up the background of the object. These are the positioning of the graphics within the document. So This is what how to create and draw object in the OpenOffice Writer.